Hello friends, we are discussing the solution of Nptel assignment 1 of mechanics of machining. So due date of this assignment is 5 February 2025. Let's discuss the assignment. The tool strain is related to the engineering strain. Fourth option is correct. Et is equal to log 1 plus E. For the second option, the first answer is correct. So solution is not here. The solution we are not discussing here. So answer is in front of you. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel so that you will get the next assignment as early as possible. Thank you.